Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we just have been seeing a very significant rollover towards the downside in the market. And I will be discussing the reasons why we are right now seeing it. We are of course having some more fun in the market, but is this right now really the reason and the time to be starting to panic out there? So of course this and much more important levels on the 4-hour daily and weekly chart are the things that I'm going to discuss on today's video. So make sure that you're going to stick to the end of the video, and don't forget to smash up that like button, because it's only going to take a few seconds of your time, but you will be literally mean the world to me here. So with that out of the way, let me start off with discussing the Bitcoin price section. So you can see Bitcoin is about to close its 1 hourly candle right now in exactly 1 minute from off now. And personally, I do expect that if we're going to close this 1 hourly candle over here, we are most likely going to see a pushback towards sales getting generated. And the reason why I do expect this is because if you're looking to the price action right now here, you can see we are still forming this higher low here on the price action. Well, the RSI right now is still forming this lower low, and while the RSI is forming a lower low and the price action is forming a higher low, we are of course seeing a hidden bullish divergence. This is of course a very clear signal that the market could be starting to move up from there on, and most likely going to continue its trend towards the upside, with of course continuing to create higher highs. So personally, I am getting pretty bullish right now in the market, because we're seeing this right now playing out on the 1 hourly candles, and this could be for sure show the significance right now on the 1 hourly candles, of course, as soon as we're going to be able to close this 1 hourly candle over here. And definitely think, since of course we were failing to hold on towards this upward sloping support line, like you can see over here, we were of course finding support over here, resistance, support over here as well, support, and since we were failing to hold on towards this level, we right away corrected towards the lower sides. But like I of course expected and talked about several times here on the channel, is that even though if we're going to go for, let's say, a potential formation of such a W recovery from here on with a higher low on the 4 hourly candles, I don't think this is going to be necessarily bearish. I don't think it will be bearish at all, because yes, we need these drop-offs to of course shake out these weekends, because not everyone could become crypto rich. So as long as we're going to be able to hold the 40.5k on the 4 hourly candles, I will be still remain a little bit more bullish on the imminent short term as well. Another reason why I'm right now pretty bullish on the market here is the reason why we are decreasing is FUD. We're once again having fun in the market. People, of course, are saying once again, China banning Bitcoin or whatsoever. And this, of course, the reason why these whales are right now benefiting from it. The whales are trying to flush you out of the market. And while you, of course, not necessarily you, but while the average Joe is right now selling off because he's starting to panic because the market is moving down, the whales are, of course, buying once again, because this is exactly what they want. And then as well, we still know it is September and we almost are there in October, and today there will be once again an option close here, and in my opinion, I've been already going over it, I do still think that Bitcoin is going to be able to close this option. Bitcoin is still going to be able to, let's say, close its options around the 44k here. So I personally think that we're going to be still able to close within this range over here, because this is basically the max paying price here. So let's see how this is going to be developing. Of course, I personally think because of course seeing this hidden bullish divergence getting created here on the 1 hourly candles, and because of the RSI, of course, on the 1 hourly candles are getting pretty oversold right now, we could be very, very close towards a point where we could be starting to retrace. And second of all, of course, also another reason why we could be starting to increase from off this point here is because we're on the 50-minute candles, we're creating a bullish divergence, not a hidden bullish divergence. The bullish divergences are currently getting created on the 50-minute candles, suggesting that the market is as well going to show some more strength here in the imminent short term. So definitely do think that there will be a reversal very close. And another reason to right away go over it to where, well, I do expect that we're going to see, of course, supportive bounce from off this range is, of course, the Fibonacci. Because if we're setting up a Fibonacci from the swing high to swing low to, of course, identify these retracement levels, you can see right now Bitcoin is once again retraced towards 0.786 here in the Fibonacci. This level provided us very strong support in the past and will be providing us support right now. Personally, I do expect yes here as well. This orange line over here, this is of course daily support for Bitcoin. Like you can see over here, if I'm zooming out to the daily time frame and remove this one real quickly, you can see this has been proving itself to be very strong daily resistance in the past. Right now, expect to be daily support. So yes, we are seeing a very significant red candle. Yes, this is of course likely to see here, because we have to be shaking out these weekends. You right now have the decision to fall for the FUD. You have the decision right now to fall once again for old FUD that has been used over and over again to shake out all the weekends in the market, or you could be, of course, decide to be a strong hand. So yeah, personally, since of course seeing this interesting Fibonacci right now here, and you should be approaching it on the 4-hourly candles in my opinion, you can see clearly Bitcoin is once again touching it here as well on this 4-hourly candle. I do expect that we're going to see a strong bounce from off this range here, and that we could be seeing of course a very significant push from off here. So yeah, looking forward towards, of course, the lower the price is going to go, the more significant bullish divergence we will be getting creating here. So yeah, I'm looking forward towards how the market is going to be reacting towards this, but personally I am looking for a reversal anytime soon from off this point. Then as well, guys, if you're in doubt, zoom out. If you're in doubt, look at the weekly time frame. Yes, we're getting this retest once again here, and of course, like I went over, it is because of the FUD, and you can decide if you're going to fall for the FUD or not. I mean, I'm at least even accumulating more. I'm buying more. I'm buying the dip further and further, and especially Ethereum. We are having a huge sale right now here, and this is really the time to start to get greedy, guys. This is really the time to start to get greedy. Everyone is in fear. You want to get greedy as well. What you can see, Bitcoin weekly time frame, we are right now retesting the 21 EMA, or you could be, of course, call it the bull market support band, because yeah, if you're looking to the 21 EMA, you can clearly see over here, we are clearly having a retest right now. Of course, it's going to be important where this weekly candle is going to close here, but still, wicks don't count here. A candle of a weekly the weekly candle close will be only counting as soon as we're going to close it. So yeah, going to be pretty important. But as you can see, bull market support band still getting hold on, and I'm very curious on how this is going to be developing here in the coming days. I'm pretty excited that Bitcoin is going to see a very significant bounce from here on, because the more people that are going to say that we are in a bear market, the more bullish I will become, and the more excited I will become over the coming days here. I personally think there could be a very big chance that we're going to create such a W. And if you want to be staying up to date about all these market developments, make sure to follow me here on Twitter at @RoverCOC. And with that out of the way already, guys, I will be keeping you guys up to date. If we're seeing some more interesting things here on the market right now playing out here, I will be trying to bring out an update video as soon as possible if we're going to see so. I do think the bullish divergence that we're right now seeing is one of the most important things that you should be paying your attention towards right now here, since, of course, this bullish divergence is right now, of course, the main indicator that is right now going to suggest the market is going to be moving up from here on. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching to this new update video here on the channel. And with that out of the way, once again here, I will see you guys later today in another update video. Peace out.